Hello everybody, hope you're doing fine. Today I'm going to talk to you about a big disease which is called ingeitis. So a lot of ings are happening and a lot of people are suffering by ingeitis, and you may wonder what is ingeitis. I will just tell it to you. And this ingeitis is a problem, or it's a disease which does not let us move ahead in life, and most of us are suffering with one symptom or the other. And if you take care of these ingeitis, I'm sure you will be really able to achieve something in life. So ing, what is the ing problem? The very first one is procrastinating, यानी कि just postponing things to tomorrow, and you forget. Tomorrow it will be double, day after it will be 4 times, and then on and on and on. So if you keep postponing things, you will never be able to achieve your goals. The second ing is complaining. So most of the people, instead of looking for solutions themselves, are always complaining. So very, very important. Instead of complaining, try to work around the problem, and maybe you'll find a better solution. The third ing a lot of people suffer is avoiding, ing, avoiding. So they avoid any situation, they avoid any change which is happening in their life. They just want to, they're so used to their comfort zone, they just want to come out of it. So avoiding. Another important ing is controlling. You're trying to control the person, control the situation, do whatever best you can, but things which are out of your control, best is to surrender. So stop controlling every situation in life. Another ing is talking. A lot of people just keep talking and they do not take action. So it's important that whatever you say, you must also do. So there's just action is better than just talking. So learn to stop talking and actually take charge of your action. Another ing is criticizing. So all the time we are criticizing people, blaming people. That is also another ing added to it. So stop blaming people. Actually, any situation in life, it's not created by others. Indirectly, it is created by you. So if you control yourself, you can control any situation in life. Another is running. You're always running from a problem. So avoiding problem, running from problem is not going to help you. Eventually you'll have to face it one day. So stop running from a problem. Another ring is dreaming. You're only dreaming, and mostly daydreaming. So you do not even bother to turn that dream to reality. So work on your dreams, very, very important. Another one is comparing. You're comparing yourself to people around you instead of looking at your own uniqueness and your own strengths. We are always looking at others and trying to complain and thinking the grass is always greener on the other side. And last but not the least is non gratifying, or just not feeling grateful about anything. So very, very important to be grateful for whatever God has given you, because there are so many people out there who would want to be so much in your own shoes because they don't have what you have. So I hope you have recognized that you may have one of these symptoms, and if you work on it, you will surely cure yourself of ingenitis. So let's hope when I see you next, you would have cured yourself. So see you very soon with another topic. Till then, take care.